Well, that's pretty much all I've got for this time. But next time I make a video, what am I going to talk about? Probably something having to do with installing some ceiling fans down here. Oh, did you see that? I just saw a cat run down here. Mommy got a cat. Oh, a month and a half ago. Oh, there she is. Ooh, hi Pip. Hi Pippers. Hi. Isn't she cute? How are you, Pip? Anyway, she's still getting used to us. Look what Mommy got for her own little automatic watering thing. Do cats really need stuff like this? I don't think so. But hey, Mommy wanted to do it. Oh, here's her. Here's her little bird. Sometimes she takes that upstairs. Can you believe it? She takes it upstairs and leaves it for us in all different kinds of places. Her owner passed away, unfortunately, and she had all this stuff, and they were trying to find a home for this cat. And so they brought all of her stuff over here, and you should have seen her for the first few weeks. She would hide under here. She wouldn't even come out. She would get underneath this couch and just go under there and hide. And she would growl at us. She would swipe at us and all kinds of stuff. But hey, she's getting used to us now. But anyways, what am I going to talk about next time? Well, it's probably going to be something about here. And if you noticed, I went down a flight of stairs, didn't I? Which means, see, here's another bedroom down here. Of course, Mommy wants a ceiling fan up in here. And here's another room here. You know, of course she wants a ceiling fan up here. And why on earth, 19 years ago, I mean, this house was built in 2000. You would think it's a very nice house. Why did they not put a light fixture up in the center, or at least a junction box up there with a blank plate on it, nice white blank plate, so that somebody could go up there later and install a light fixture, install a ceiling fan or anything like that? Why did they not do that? I have no idea. But see, this room, same thing. The only ceiling fan location in a bedroom is in the master bedroom that they've installed a ceiling fan. And here, they've got one other ceiling fan out here. These are the only two ceiling fans in this whole house. Can you believe that? 2 ceiling fans in this whole house. Nowadays, lots of houses have ceiling fans just about in every single room, it seems like. But anyway, she wants me to install these in here. And of course, that's going to be very difficult because there's no attic up in these 2 ceilings. How on earth am I going to do this? Well, yeah. Yes, indeedy. I'm going to have to take this switch. See, that switch is for these lights over here by the bed again. And there's another switch over there. That's a 3-way switch back and forth for these 2 lights. Why they would put a switch just over there and not one over here? They could have put one over here too. That would have been called a 4-way switch. Did you know they have those? That you can have lights. See here? This turns on and off, and that controls that over there. But I'm gonna leave that on, so I turn it off over here. They could have put a 4-way switch over here, and I was looking over here and I thought, why didn't they do that? See, there's nothing here. That way both people on both sides of the bed could have turned their lights on and off from there, but hey, no biggie. You turn it on from there, and then somebody else over here, if they want to turn theirs off, obviously they have to reach over there. Enough of that business. The ceiling, we're talking about ceiling fans. I would have to cut in a light switch over here, right? And how am I going to get up there and do that later? Well, that's what I'm going to explain on my next video. Hey, be looking for that. And if you have some thoughts and ideas, watch my other video where I talk about what I'm going to do down here. And maybe, just maybe, you'll come up with the same idea I've come up with. Well, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos. And of course, when I get ready to install the new ceiling fan and the new switch and all the other stuff in the other room on reinstalling this existing one over in Mother's room, I'll be sure to make a video for you for all of the different things that I'm going to do. Of course, it's not going to be in one video. It's going to be in all kinds of different videos, but I'll put them all together so that you can see from start to finish that you too can save money around the house.